Okay, so this is the homework for Thursday, Thursday, November 9th. Math homework for Dylan. Let's get through it, see what happens. So number 1. Jane's bedroom is 15 feet long by 12 feet wide. She draws this area model to represent the floor of the room. Question: which equation represents the product shown in Jane's model? So they want to know what is, see the room 15 by 12. So 15, 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 plus 2, so it's 12. So this is, oops, 15 by 12. They want to know what the product, that is the answer, of 15 times 12 is. So which equation represents the product shown in Jane's model? So the way you figure this out, you do 10 times 10 for this block right here. So 10 times 10. So this is, so you go this 10, whoops, 10 by 10, 10 times 10 equals what? And you do the same thing for this one. Then 10 times 5 equals what? So you're gonna put the answer for 10 times 10 in this box, 10 times 10 in this box right here, and 10 times 5 in this box, and then 2 times 10, right? 2 times 10 equals, is here. That answer is here. 2 times 5, the answer is here. So you're gonna take all those numbers. So again, I'm trying not to give you the answer. So oops. So 10 times 10, 10 times 5, 2 times 10, and 2 times 5. Then you take all those numbers and add them up. That's going to give you the answer. Okay? One of these is correct. You can see 12 times 15 is the answer. Is the question is what you're looking for. One of these is the answer. It's either this one or this one. Right? One of these is not correct, obviously. So you need to do the math for that. So again, you're gonna take 10 times 10. You're gonna take 10 times 10. That the answer for that plus 10 times 5 plus 10 plus 2 times 10 plus 2 times 5. It's not complicated. Or you can just do the street math. 12 times 15. Okay, they're not complicated. That's number 1. Number 2. Casey reads 21 pages every night. Which model shows a way Casey could use 10 blocks to model which model shows a way Casey could use base 10 blocks to model the total number of pages she read in 24 nights. So one of these is going to represent 21 times 24. Okay, I'm going to do one of these. I'm going to do this. F is not the answer, but I'm going to show you what. So you go 10. This is because this 10 block represents 10, 10, and then 1. So this is 10, 10, and 1. And 10 plus 10 plus 1 equals 21. So that represents this right here, right? Now look at this one here. So 10 for there, 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 14. So this is 21 times 14. F is not the answer. Again, you take this 10 plus 10 plus 1 is 21. 10 plus 4, 10 represented by this block plus 4 here is 14. So this represents 21 times 14. We're looking for 21 times 24, not 21 times 14. So again, I'm giving you the part of the answer. F is not the answer. So one of these other ones is the answer. So you have to figure out which one shows 21 times 24. Okay, again, not very complicated. On to number 3. Fancy Cake Bakery orders 17 boxes of cake trays. There are 20 trays in each box. Which shows a model that represents the total number of cake trays? So they want to know what is 17 times 20. Okay. Again, this is the same as the one before. 17. These are the two numbers we're looking for: 17 and 20. I'm going to show you C is not the answer, but I'm going to show you why I know that. So again, we're looking for 17 times 20. So this is 10 we're going this way. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. So what is that? That's a 30. That's 30. So it's 10, 10, and 10 represented by these base blocks. Gives us a total of 30, right? Then 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 plus 7 is what? This is again 10 and 7. Gives us 17. This represents 17 times 30. C does. That's not the answer. We're looking for 17 times 20. So again, they're going to use that logic to figure out which one of these is the correct one. So again, you just count the base blocks both on one side and then on the other. And that'll give you the answer. Again, you're looking for 17 times 20. Okay? Not very complicated. And final answer, final question, number 4. Each of the 34 members of the travel club, plans to read a travel guidebook this month. The book has 86 pages. This model can be used to find the total number of pages the travel club members will read this month. So again, you're looking for 86 represented here times 34. Okay? And this is represented here again. 80 plus 6 is 86. 30 plus 4 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. They give you the answers here. Okay, so 30 times 80. 30 times 80 is 2400 in this box. 30 times 6 equals 180 in this box. Then 4 times 80 equals 320 represented in this box. And then 4 times 6 is 4 times 6 represented in this box equals 24. So they want to know what the product of the model represents. What is the product of the model? What product does the model represent? So you're going to take this number plus this number plus this number plus this number. It's going to give you one of these numbers. And that's the answer to the question. So I'm not going to do the math for you. But you can just take this number plus this number plus this number plus this number to give you one of these numbers. And you're going to pick the right one. Okay? Not very hard. All right? If you have any questions, call me, Dylan.